Hi guys, this is the July update of Bitcoin US dollar. Now, as you can see on the monthly chart, it's rising. Now, as we discussed earlier, if you remember, that the risk of it going down is always once it breaks the green candle. Example right here. Let me zoom in to show you in detail. This was the green candle. Once this red candle closed below its low, it represented it's in long-term bearish cycle, and as you can see it remained lower. But right now it's all green. So this represents it will be breaking the highs and making newer highs. And as you can see, remember from Fibonacci retracement level that we are going for $4,000 level or higher. So I believe there is nothing stopping it right now. If we select it on the weekly basis, yes, it's going down. Red, 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 red. But I don't believe it can break this low. So it's a good time to buy it at $22.50 or at $2,000, $2,050 level, because I believe it's going up. So it's a good time to buy because it will take a dip, and on a dip you can buy and make good money if you're considering it buying. Because I want to tell you, cryptocurrencies are volatile. So volatility is bad, but if you look at it on the flip side, it represents chance of making good money. So make good money and get out. Don't get greedy. Yes, it has rose from really lows till awesome highs, but it has taken many years to reach here. So that's why it's a good time to buy, but don't get greedy. Now let me show you daily level. Right here on the daily level, as you can see, it's going straight. On this day, it made the same rate as on this day, and that is July 7 and that is June 2. So it's about a month since it is going straight. Now let me show you a chart pattern. This is 1 and this is 2. So I believe it has till July 15th or July, wait a minute, yeah, July 15th or July 20th till the time it will get stuck. But any day if it is crossing this fall in line, it will be resuming its uptrend, because currently it's in confused mode. The highs are going down and the lows are going up. So this is a confused mode. Anytime it crosses this line, boom, it will be going up. So stay tuned. I will be updating lectures on each and every month so that you can see what's happening on the monthly basis. Thank you.